In response to one of our videos, somebody asked a really good question. They asked, hey, can we just trademark anything that's in the dictionary? How does this all work? My name is Carmel. I'm a trademark attorney. I'm going to break it all down in this video. So to really quickly start off, what is a trademark? A trademark is anything that identifies your brand. It is a brand identifier. So for example, a logo can be a trademark. Your actual brand name is your trademark, or a slogan. Anything that where you hear that name or you hear that slogan or you see the logo, that is a trademark because it identifies the brand. For example, like Nike, it has a swoosh mark. That's their logo. Just Do It is their slogan. And then Nike, their brand name, is also a trademark. So whatever that word is, or the slogan or the logo, it has to be connected somehow with your goods or services. So if you're selling something, it has to be, attached to it in some sort of way, the header of a website or on the tag. It has to be associated with your goods and services. So in other words, you can't just trademark a word like out of nowhere and just like own it. It has to be attached to something that you're selling. Again, it can be a service that you're offering, or it can be attached to actual products. And if you're like, look, I have this idea for a brand name, but I don't have my goods ready yet, or I don't have the exact website up, I'm not ready to sell, but I know exactly the brand name I want, you can still trademark it in advance, just letting them know if you're intending to use that mark. And we do this for our clients all the time. We know exactly how to file that. It's kind of like, reserving your name in the system, but you're basically letting the trademark office know that, look, we are going to be using this brand name. We're reserving it now. We're going to be using it for this specific good or this specific service. And then later on throughout the application process, they ask for that proof and then we provide that. So whether you already have your goods and services out in the market or whether or not you don't and you plan to, you can book a call with us. We'll walk you through exactly what you need to trademark your brand. The link is in our bio right here. You just click on it, you book a call, and our advice is going to be very specific to your brand. So what you're selling, or what you're providing for your services, it's going to be very specific on how we draft your application. So we'll go over the strength of your brand name, everything you need to know essentially to get that registered certificate, which is a whole, it's a whole legal proceeding, and it's hard to get if you don't have all of the application done correctly. Hope this was helpful.